So ito guys, papasok na tayo dito sa kuweba.
Sit down ka na kayo dito, ma'am.
Saan ang harap po?
Dito po, dito. Ayan.
Ganyan. Aray.
Una yung paa niya.
Grabe pa na kaya pag
Iyan niyo po muna yung paa. Ayan. Ayun.
Mabulas po ba? At ang dali po. Yeah. So, mayroong mga paniki yata dito. Yes. Kiakit. Takot ka, Koy? So now, yeah. Nandito kami sa cave. Pugno Cave. Ayan. Dito naman guys ay lalabas na tayo sa cave. So napakaganda doon sa loob. Puro paniki ang makikita nyo doon. So lalabas na ako. Dito naman ay lulubog tayo para makita natin yung mga starfish sa loob ng underwater dito. Napakalalim po dito. Nasa 20 feet daw. Sabi ng 20 deep daw dito, sabi ng aming tour guide. So talagang malalim, hindi ka pwedeng mag-swimming dito kung wala kang life vest at saka yung mga gear ng pang snorkeling. Tinutulak na nila yung pambot, hindi na nila makayanan. Ayan. So ito yung cave. Ayan. So ito yung ferry. Ayan. So nandito. Itong cave na to is Paniki Cave. Ayan. So, dito sa cave na to, doon sa kabila. Ayan. Ito po siya. Ayan. Cave. Ayan. Kudugnon Cave. Ito yung mahirap pasukin na cave. Ayan. So guys, dito kami sa 7 Commando El Nido Beach. So this is our third stop na island. Ayan, so napakaganda. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. So doon kami bumili ng coffee. Ayan. So kita nyo ang inyong dongkay. Ito po ako. Naghintay pa ako dito. Ayan. haggard ang inyong kurwakwak dahil katatapos lang namin mag-snorkeling, and stay tuned sa aming snorkeling kasi napaka-amazing po talaga. Puro kami sugat dahil doon sa coral sa under water ng dagat kasi yung corals is maraming tinik.
Okay, so pwede po tayong puro muna saglit. We can gather for a while. So because before we proceed to the destination,
Listen to the instructor.
okay, thank you, Mama. So once again, good morning po for everyone.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Where's your energy? So if you have any wars, if you have any problem, just leave it there, okay? So we're going to the island happy.
Okay.
So this time po, the weather is not really good, okay? But we have a golden rose, safety first.
Okay.
So, pero po, in our, supposed to be we have a 5 destination, but I'm sure today we have only 3 or 4 destination. So, 100% po, we don't have a secret lagoon. Kasi po, secret lagoon is very small entrance, and then there's a big waves. So, it's faced to the open sea, it's not possible. But our highlights today, we have Big Lagoon. So, we have a 7 commando, we have snorkeling area, and we have a lunch area. Okay. So in the Big Lagoon, we can stay for at least 1 hour or 1.5, maybe like that. If it's not raining, so we can stay longer. So our itinerary in the Big Lagoon is kayaking.
Okay.
So you can rent a kayak if you like. The crystal one, yung transparent, that's 500 pesos.
Okay.
But for the ordinary po, yung like this ordinary, that's... So if you heard my monkey call, I'm just calling you insect. Because other guides, they using one kind of whistle to calling their customer, but in our group, I want to be unique, that's why I use it. Okay? So because if we stay longer in the one destination, we're gonna miss the other one.
Alright.
So that's why I want to maximize, and this week I complete those destinations. Only 9. This is a good number. Our boat is 26 capacity.
Okay.
So, but we are only 9. That's a good number. And then, sir, most of our destination today is for swimming. Okay. So I hope you are prepared for swimming attire. Okay. So because there's no toilet, if you want to change your clothes, okay. And you have snorkeling gear. That's good. So, but I can promise that the visibility of water is good because almost a week raining. So sometimes po yung surface ng water, it's blurred. So, but if you dive maybe 1 hour 2 feet, going to the bottom, it's clear na po. Just the surface lang. Okay? Yes, sir?
Ang ganda dito mga palangga. So, nandito kami sa may Coron Island. Ayan. So, bukas mag-island kami bukas. Mag-snorkeling. So, this is the view here, which is very nice. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda po. Ayan.